This tutorial will show you how to use Destiny to search for an item if you know the author's name. First, double check, make sure you have Catalog tab clicked at the top and you've clicked on Library Search on the left and your cursor is in the Find window. To search for an author in Destiny, you do need to know how to spell the author's name correctly, and you want to search using their last name. So let's say that we want to search for a book by Mo Willems. Willems is spelled W-I-L-L-E-M-S. I could just search by his last name. If I know his first name, I can add it, but I can always start with just the last name. Then we look through our buttons and we find the one titled Author, and we want to click there. This will then give you a list of all the books and items that we have by Mo Willems. Notice at the top we have some stories by Mo Willems, but they're in a different format than a book. This one is an audiobook of one of Mo Willems' stories, and this one is a DVD of one of his stories. Depending on the school you go to, you may or may not be able to check those out. In any case, I am interested in a book by Mo Willems. So I'm looking for the little red symbol. There's a lot of books here. In fact, there's so many. If you notice down here, there's 39 books. It's only showing me 25 on this page, but I can see the rest of them. If I come over here to the right-hand side, it's telling me that there's another page with more books on it. I can click on this second page, or I can click on Show All. Either one will work. And now I'm looking at the rest of the list of the Mo Willems books. If I wanted to check some of these out, remember that I need to look over here on the right-hand side. This is telling me that there are 3 copies in of the 5 total copies that the library has of There Is a Bird on Your Head. This is telling me that that is not a good idea, that the library has 1 copy, but somebody else must have it checked out because there aren't any available now. If you wanted to go look for a book by Mo Willems, let's say I want Pigs Make Me Sneeze, remember you need to copy down the title and you need to copy down the call number. Now, sometimes searching for authors is tricky because you might not be exactly sure how to spell them. So I'm going to click on Library Search to start a new search here, and I'm going to show you some tips. Let's say I knew that Mo Willems' last name started with W-I-L-L, but then I wasn't sure if it was A-M-S or E-M-S, just wasn't sure. We can use something called an asterisk. If you find the letter or the number 8 on your keyboard and the Shift key over on the left, what you do to get the asterisk is press down the Shift key, hit your number 8 on the keyboard, and you'll get an asterisk. What that does is tell the computer, I want you to search for anything that starts with W-I-L-L and whatever comes after that. So I'm going to try and hit author again, and let's see what happens. See, it does find any author's names that start with W-I-L-L, but oh my gosh, there seem to be a lot of them. In fact, if I look at the top, it's found 220, and I don't think I see any Mo Willems on this first page. So here's another secret. I can go to something at the top called Browse Authors, and if I click on that, I will see a list of authors that start with W-I-L-L. So if I start skimming down here, oh, there's Mo Willems. If I click on that, now I'm back to the list of books by Mo Willems. So that's another trick for finding books by author if you're not sure how to spell their name.